I got an opportunity to maybe spend a few hours in this IHE expo which is being held today, and I'm amazed at the kind of products which is on display there. And I'm also happy that after a long gap, such a physical fair has been organized. So I would like to thank the organizers as well as the exhibitors and everyone who has visited this. It has been a wonderful experience for me actually, because many of the products which is on display perhaps I haven't seen anywhere, and maybe only in some kind of 5-star hotels and all. But this is very wonderful.
Today I am here to be a participant in the different events happening at the IHE 2021. Though I am a dentist, but it's very fascinating to visit this culinary experience that is happening in Greater Noida at this time.
The kind of crowd, the kind of people that I have experienced in my session is just outstanding. The students, the mentors, the chefs, the equipment, the best in this world is coming under one banner.
It facilitates a lot of innovation because you get to see not only the traditional stuff, but you also get to experience some of the new things like food trucks today, which is such a big thing. And there's some great innovation happening in our industry, and I think it's just forums like this which are able to showcase the creativity of our industry overall and pull the industry together, continue to lift our standards broadly. So I remain pretty optimistic that these kind of shows will do better and better as we get out of the pandemic and continue to facilitate growth for our industry overall.
Amazingly, by visitors have really shown a lot of interest, and we have real buyers coming now, B2B, because the hotels, the restaurants which were shut, which were ready to get constructed and completed, they were on hold for last 1.5–2 months. They've all started. I'm very happy that the response is amazing, and people our exhibitors are also very happy to receive that response.
I'm sure this is the first exhibition which is in reality happening since the pandemic started, and somebody has to be the first mover in this, and which is really remarkable for IHE. Even it is small in size, that one can understand why it is, but it is professionally done and it has the same experience as maybe the large one has.
I was here to attend one of the panel discussions on craft spirits at the Spirits Forum, and I also took the opportunity to move around and see what the exhibition is all about. And to my surprise, this is probably one of the finest and well-curated expo on hospitality. It has a blend of everything, right from the suppliers to people who are key players as professionals, right from chefs to bartenders to restaurant owners to hoteliers. Everybody is right there, and under one platform you have everything that you need.
Three cheers to IHE for putting this together. It's been a phenomenal show. I've been walking through the alleys. It's so well made. The infrastructure is phenomenal. The choice of suppliers, the produce, the infrastructure that has been visible here. It's an overall industry show.